With an indoor swimming pool in the heart of downtown, let's check out this home with over 10,000 square feet of living space.
Welcome to 748 Churchill Row.
Built in 2008 and designed to fit the downtown streetscape, this home has many modern features, such as in-floor heat,
plus an in-home lift system and access to the oversized double-car garage, which can hold up to 4 cars.
From the central foyer, you get a wonderful sense of the home's layout. It's the hub that connects all the main living areas.
This open concept space hosts a beautiful kitchen, a living room, and access to the manicured backyard.
In the kitchen and throughout the home, you'll find custom built-ins by Wildwood Cabinetry. The kitchen also features a double oven, gas stove, a warming drawer, and as well as the dishwasher in the kitchen, you'll find another in the butler's pantry.
Off the kitchen is the main floor laundry.
Through the butler's pantry, you'll find the home's formal dining room. Next, you'll find a mudroom with secondary access to the garage, another bathroom,
and one of the highlights of the home is this indoor saltwater pool with its own steam room.
Also on this level, you'll find the home's media room.
Finishing off the main level, we have a den and a powder room. Let's head upstairs.
The second floor has 4 bedrooms with potential for more.
One of the bedrooms has its own walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom.
The bright primary suite features a large walk-in closet, and in the ensuite bath, you'll find a soaker tub and a tile shower.
Next is the spacious office, which could be another bedroom. It has its own private balcony overlooking the backyard and views of the indoor pool.
Finishing off the second floor, we've got a craft room, which could be another bedroom, and a home gym overlooking the pool.
The third level offers additional living space and storage.
Let's head downstairs.
The finished lower level offers storage, utilities, and the dog wash station.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 748 Churchill Row,
visit realtor.ca.